What if the love you find is the very thing that could tear your world apart? In Her Males, the second book in Envy Wright's The Female series, listeners are swept into a dark, sensual fantasy romance where power, passion, and survival collide. At the heart of the novel is Leah, a heroine navigating a brutal world where women are rare, coveted, and often controlled. Her journey is one of resilience and defiance as she fights to claim her own destiny. Surrounded by men who both protect and desire her, Leah must confront the complexities of love, loyalty, and the intoxicating danger of being wanted by more than one. The men in her orbit are powerful, magnetic, and deeply flawed. Each brings his own strengths, vulnerabilities, and secrets to the table. Their relationships with Leah are fraught with tension, equal parts passion and conflict, as they struggle to balance desire with the harsh realities of their work.